Hey everyone, this is Glenn with ERD, you know, the guy in the video. And today I'm going to demonstrate on how to properly take off the connectors on a CPC4 without damaging your wiring harness. Sitting here on the table is a CPC4. As you have seen in your truck, you have 4 connectors right here. Each one of these connectors has a latch that allows it to become disconnected. What we have discovered in our repair and test process that we have been doing all year is these are very easy to damage when you grab a hold of the wires and use the wires to allow you to pull it free. We have already damaged at least one wiring harness doing that, so we have decided to share with you some of the information we have learned. When you go to take off this wiring harness, take a flat screwdriver. This is a chip puller, technically, but it's just like a flat-bladed screwdriver. Push the latch down, stick it in the end right here, and then pop it out, as so. Doing it this way allows you to not apply any pressure on the wires and damage this wiring harness, which, believe me, will cause all kinds of strange problems in your truck. So please, continue to send your CPC4s to ERD, where we are providing expert service on the CPC4 repair with our 3-year warranty.